Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one amongst 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has identified the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.83. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The exchange-traded fund lies in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, which may typically present a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $86.47 is broken, it will initially indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible 3.78% change over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 3.28% and 11.22%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 3.71%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 6.51% to positive 9.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $81.23 and $95.47. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF Price After Friday Trading. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF price gained 0.544% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of April, 2025. The price rose from $86.42 to $86.89. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.71%, with a day low at $85 and a day high of $87.30. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 3.61% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 17 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 95 million shares bought and sold for approximately $8.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $101.64, and the lowest price was $84.89. Currently, the price is 14.51%, or $14.75, below the 52-week high, and 51.65%, or $92.81, below the all-time high on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price reached $179.70. Recent developments surrounding the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, or TLT, indicate a significant shift in market sentiment, particularly amidst current recession fears, driven by ongoing tariff impacts. With double-digit equity drawdowns and heightened volatility in the stock market, TLT presents a unique opportunity for investors seeking stability and potential gains. The backdrop of reduced growth expectations and inflationary pressures has propelled TLT to new highs this year. Analysts are recommending TLT as a strategic option for capital gains and income generation, especially given its effective duration of 16.13, which positions it well for significant price appreciation as long-term yields react to evolving economic conditions. Additionally, the prevailing uncertainty and market sentiment favor long-duration bond ETFs like TLT over speculative inverse funds. Recent bullish stances on bonds signal a growing consensus that TLT can capitalize on pre-recession yield curve movements, making it an attractive choice in the current climate. In the short term, TLT could see price appreciation as investors seek safe havens, while long-term potential looks brighter as economic indicators suggest a probable hard landing scenario. As the market continues to grapple with volatility, TLT's role as a stabilizing investment is set to become increasingly prominent, ultimately influencing its stock price trajectory positively. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. The iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $89.33 and $90.45. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. Furthermore, a sell signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. There are also some positive signals present, which may influence near short-term developments. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, April 10, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 0.544%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a promising technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average displayed a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. For more insights and signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $86.76. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be quite low. During the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $2.30 between its high and low, representing a movement of 2.71%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the exchange-traded fund has been 2.65%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond is at $88.87. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond encounters its first support level at $86.76. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $81.67, representing a decrease of 6.01%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily movements, contributing to a low risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom identified 1 day ago. Is iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond ETF a good buy? Several of the signals and indicators are negative, and we believe that this will impact the development in the coming days and potentially weeks. However, we think that the current level presents a possible buying opportunity and that the price will be higher during or at the end of this 3-month period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, April 14th, we expect iShares 20-plus Year Treasury Bond to open lower by approximately 494 cents and start trading at $86.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.